Hello student, in this video we will discuss about the graphs, determination of the graphs from the displacement time, this determination of the velocity from displacement time graph. So here we have draw the displacement time graph. Here we will consider, here we have considered the 2 points, that is point A and point B here on the displacement time graph. This is the displacement time graph, this is the time axis and this is the velocity axis. So let the this T1 and T2 be the, these are T1 and T2 be the times at x1 is the, and x1 is the displacement of the particle in time T1, and x2 is the displacement x2 is the displacement of the particle at time t2. So displacement of particle in time t2 minus t1 is given by x2 minus x1. So v is equal to velocity of the particle, velocity displacement of the particle is x2 minus x1 upon t1, t2 minus t1. Here x2 minus x1 and t2 minus t1. x2 minus x1 is BC and this is upon AC, perpendicular upon base. Therefore v is equal to tan of theta. Now tan of, or we can say this BC upon AC, y upon x. This is the slope of the VT. This is the slope of VT graph. Now slope of VT graph, so we can say that displacement of particle is equal to the slope of the VT graph. Now velocity time graph on the uniform, for the uniform motion, So here we will consider that when a body moves with the uniform velocity, then the magnitude and direction of the velocity of the body remains the same at all the points. At every point the velocity and the direction of the direction and the velocity of the particle will remain same. So we have draw here the graph for the this velocity time graph for the uniform motion. So displacement of the particle in given interval of time, here the displacement, we have to calculate the displacement of the particle. From velocity time graph we will get the displacement of the particle in time interval, and that is equal to the area under this VT graph. So this is the area under VT graph. So area under VT graph is equal to the area of this is a rectangle, and the area of rectangle is length into breadth. So length is E into F and breadth is dF. So here area under VT graph is x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1 is equal to this EF upon EF multiplied by DF. EF multiplied by DF. So T2 minus T1, T2 minus T1 into V. x2 minus x1 is equal to T2 minus T1 into a V. So a V is equal to x2 minus x1 upon T2 minus T1. So this is the this velocity time graph for the velocity time graph, and this is the value of the displacement of the particle, by the velocity time graph.